When your Black & Decker portable air conditioner stops cooling the way it should, begin with the fundamentals. First, confirm the unit is receiving power by testing the outlet and checking your circuit breaker, since these systems draw enough energy to trip a switch. Next, review your thermostat settings and make sure the mode is set to cool, with a temperature lower than the room's current reading. Many cooling complaints are simply incorrect settings. Airflow is the next major factor. Clean the air filter if it's dirty, inspect the exhaust hose to ensure it's firmly connected and not bent or crushed, and confirm the window kit is sealed tightly so hot air doesn't leak back inside. Keep at least 20 inches of space around the unit so intake vents aren't blocked. Don't forget the drainage system, because a full water tank or clogged drain hose can stop cooling entirely. If you hear rattling, tighten loose screws. Grinding may point to motor trouble, and hissing could signal a refrigerant leak that needs professional repair. When basic checks don't solve the issue, compressor or control board problems may require certified service. Regular cleaning and seasonal maintenance will keep your unit running efficiently and extend its lifespan.